Hi guys, welcome to week 3 of our online learning. Today we're going to talk about the imaginary number I. There are a lot of details about it. It's a little bit complicated. Today I just want to start with some very basic concepts of it and solving some square roots or radical equations with the imaginary number I, okay? So first of all, let's talk about I. I is a number whose square is equal to -1. So that means that I squared equals -1. And if I squared is equal to -1, then that means that the square root of -1 is I. Okay? So your problems today are essentially just solving negative square roots by using the letter I. Okay? So the square root of -100 would be the square root of -1, which is I, and the square root of 100, which is 10, so 10I. Okay? The square root of -49 would be 7I, because the square root of 49 is 7, the square root of -1 is I. Okay? So your problems are just going to be those basic ones. We will get deeper into decomposing the square roots on Thursday. This is a lot of stuff that I really plan to do with you in class because it is a little tedious and there are a lot of different rules to remember and stuff. So we're just going to kind of get our feet wet with it and then see where we are from there, okay? But for your information, here are some different variations of I so that maybe we can kind of get a more concrete grasp of what we're dealing with, okay? So I to the 0th power is 1. Because we established previously that anything to the 0th power is 1. I to the 1st power is 1 as well. I squared is -1. We already talked about that. Okay, so I squared is -1. I cubed is basically I squared times I, right? So we already established that I squared is -1. So this really becomes -1 times I, so it is -I. So I cubed is -I. Okay, so we basically gave I this meaning and these values, and then we take that and we use it to solve other equations, inequalities, stuff like that, okay? So for your assignment this week, for this video, you're just going to have to find the answers to the radical expressions using the imaginary unit I, okay? So grab a piece of paper and a pencil, write it down. If you want a little bit more info on the imaginary I and you are using Khan Academy, go ahead and look on there because there are a few more videos. I'm just wanting us to kind of get slowly introduced to this concept. Okay, so hopefully you could pause the video there and write down what you need. And then remember, those are the assignments that you will turn into me on Khan. You could show me on Khan, hold it up, show me your answers. Or not Khan, sorry, Zoom. So you could show me your answers on Zoom. You can take a picture and email it to me. And then if you complete the assignment for this video and the one on Thursday, then I'll put you in the drawing to win the $25 gift card. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. My Zoom hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. for math questions, 12 noon for social time. Email me if you have questions, and if not, I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.